Hello all, in this video we will discuss about RTools technology. RTool for Analytics is the most powerful and widely used programming language for computational statistics, visualization and data science. Many data scientists and statisticians use R to solve their problems in the data analysis field in all the sections like computational biology to quantitative marketing. R is a GNU project which is more like the S language. It is considered as a dialect of the S language. RTool for data analysis provides a wide range of statistical and graphical techniques. R is highly extensible and offers a lot of choice for research people. R is a free software and it runs on a wide variety of platforms like Mac OS, Windows, Unix and Linux. It is also the most popular and successful language with some powerful features, and it is used by top-rated companies like Google, Facebook, Shell, Merck, Bank of America, Pfizer and LinkedIn. Next we can understand about installation. Here is a detailed information with a screenshot to install RTools technology. So go to the R website and click down the R under the heading Getting Started button and select a destination folder to R. Then choose which R package to download based on your operating system and select Install R for the first time and download the file with the biggest font on the top. And next one is click Run and then choose your language. Click next to start the installation and agree to all their terms and conditions. Then select the core files and select either 32-bit or 64-bit files based on your computer system. Then you have a choice for startup options. You can view the program in multiple windows so that you can also have an internet browser or notepad program open as well. The screen appears as below. So if you want to get this view, then should click S for customized startup option in the startup option. Then if you have clicked yes, then you will be directed to the below dialog box and select SDI to separate window option. In this step you choose between plain text or HTML. Next step is to select between standard or internet 2 for internet access and then create a program shortcut and desktop icon by clicking next. Then the installation will start running as shown in the figure. So once the installation has been complete, you will get the following window and click finish. So RTool is an integrated suite of software facilities developed by data analysis, statistical modeling, simulation and graphics. R is a simple and effective language that includes conditionals, loops, user-defined recursive functions, input and output facilities, and R includes some of the information, that is effective data handling and storage facility, set of operators for calculation of arrays, and huge integrated collection of intermediate RTool for data analysis and graphical facilities to be displayed either on the screen or on hard copy. So it allows users to add additional functionality. C, C++ and Fortran code can be linked to RTools technology and called at runtime. R can be extended through packages easily, and R has its own LaTeX-like documentation format which supplies comprehensive documentation. Then how to update in the R. So follow these simple steps to update R. So first you have to load the installer and select the update R from the new installer menu. Then the installer will check whether there is a new version to update and click OK. So if you wish that check the news for the new version, click yes and then click yes if you want to download and install the latest version R. So the download will start. Press next in the R's installation wizard and wait till the R finishes its installation. Press yes to copy your packages to the new R installation. Then click yes to keep your package in old R folder. Then wait till the packages get copied, and you can also get rprofile.site to be copied automatically to the new location. Then click yes to get updated packages in the new R installation. Then R sends your permission to access to the internet. So wait till the packages are updated and the process is run in the background, and final step is to quit the R. So why use R tools technology? There is a lot of software available for data analysis today, but still R tool stands ahead of all the other tools. There are a lot of reasons why data scientists choose R. Few reasons are listed below. R tools technology is free. So R is an open source project which can download and use for free. So you don't have to worry about subscription fees, license renewals or user limits. As R is an open source software, you can inspect and make changes to the code as you like, and lot of experts have contributed to R in such a way, and now it benefits millions of people who use R today. Next point is R is not just a statistical package, it is a language. R is an easy language to learn. In R, data analysis is done by writing functions and scripts, not just in simple clicks. It offers a natural and expressive way of data analysis. There are many advantages of learning this language. It is the most interactive language when compared with other programming languages. R provides an innovative way of data analysis and leads to better results which otherwise would not have been done. So a script records all your work which can be rerun at any time. These scripts also make it easy for you and automate a sequence of tasks that can be integrated into other processes. R tool for analytics techniques at your fingertips. R contains all the traditional and recently developed data manipulation techniques. It also offers you different statistical models and charts that all the data scientists feel is essential to them. So you can easily download any method at free of cost. Powerful graphics and data visualization. One of the main features of R tool technology is the visualization of data through charts and graphs. R tools technology offers special tools for producing graphics from information provided in the form of bar charts and scatter plots to multi-panel lattice charts. Faster and better results. R stands ahead of user black box procedures of other data analytics tools. R is designed especially for data analysis to create faster results than other statistical software programs. So it also offers you mix and match models for better results. The scripts of R are automated, which helps you to deliver reproducible research. Cutting edge statistics with R tool technology. Leading data scientists and researchers around the world use R for statistics, machine learning and predictive modeling. R has a lot of packages that are not available in any other statistical tool in the data analysis market. There are more than 2000 packages available in R language in every domain of free download. Flexible R tool for data analysis. R tool technology has an inbuilt standard data analysis tool that includes accessing data in various formats, data manipulation, and traditional and modern statistical models. The statistical models include regression, ANOVA, GLM, tree models, and others. Robust community. If you have any questions related to R, then there is definitely an answer to you in the web. There are a lot of community resources available on the internet for R. R has thousands of contributors and more than 2 million users from around the world. So this is one of the main reasons you can find answers to all your questions related to R on the web. Unlimited possibilities. R is an open source community and a lot of people contribute directly to the R language. So it does not have a predefined set of codes. So you can use codes that are contributed by others to the R community. You can also extend the R function. R gets mingled up easily with other applications like MySQL database, Apache web server, Google Maps and others. And last point is wide acceptance of R. R is widely most of industries in India and abroad. R is becoming a leader in business analytics field. Recently, SAS is also being integrated with R and is included in SAS ML Studio 3.2 version. It also mostly used in clinical researchers by the government. Let's understand the special features of R. So here are some of the special features of R tools. So R is available for Windows, Linux and Mac OS platforms, and R lets you to input data from SAS, Excel, SPSS, Stata and others. R is an excellent tool for creating complicated plots and charts which will be of great quality. R lets you display statistical concept by means of animations, and R can be embedded in Excel. This will provide you with a whole new range of statistics and graphical properties. R has a very good community support which gives answers to all your queries, and most of the response come from experts in the data analysis field. The community gives you a detailed insight into the R language for newbies. R provides data analytics solution on the web by embedding R on a server through Apache server. R has a lot of packages which are written for a specific purpose, and all the packages are contained in CRAN, and the packages are divided based on their target domain. R contains codes to perform all the basic and advanced statistics. R has Revolution Computing, which is an enterprise R provider, and R has a blog for them which discusses the latest developments, usage of R, and in various fields and various other matters which are related to R. Why it gets so much attention? There are many languages used for data analysis, but most people prefer using R for their business. The reasons why R is preferred more than other languages are listed below. More interactive language. For data analysis, two things are more important: interactivity and language. R, in other terms, is an interactive language which makes it more special than other languages. Then data structures. It also offers you an excellent way to create data structures. You don't need to put all your data in a set of predefined structure, and you can create your own structure and put your data in a natural form. Then excellent graphic properties. Human brains are more attracted to pictures than numbers or text. R gives you a high quality graphical representation of data. Missing values. Real data always have missing values. R has several functions that will help you to deal with missing values. Missing values are an integral part of R. A lot of packages. R has a lot of packages that allow you to add your own functionality to make you unique. These packages help you to extraordinary things with R. Support and community. R has very supportive community which helps to improve data analysis done through R language. So first class objects. Objects here means functions like mean and median, and you can shift between the functions more easily in R language. Vector oriented. Objects in R are considered as a whole rather than treating it as a collection of individual numbers. So for example, if you want to change the volume from liters to milliliters, then a simple code changes has to be done. Flexibility. R does not compile with work within its language. You can mix different tools and select the best tool for each task. You can also call C and C++ functionality. Changes made easy. The codes that are written in R language is accessible to users. If any minor change has to be done to the task, then you can make a change to the code in a shorter period of time. So this has been a guide to R tools technology. So here we have discussed a brief overview, applications, special features, uses, and etc.